How to download videos from Patreon. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can download videos from Patreon. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to download an extension that is Patreon Downloader in order to download videos from Patreon. So open up a new tab and in the search bar, search for Patreon Downloader and search for it. After that, head over to the first link, that is chromewebstore.google.com. So from here, you can add an extension to your Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome button from this interface and here click on Add Extension. Now once the extension is added to the Chrome, you can open up patreon.com. And make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, find out the video that you want to download. On that video, you have to copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can open up the extension that you have downloaded recently. You can click on it and then you can paste the link in this extension. After that, your videos will be downloaded. So in this way, you can download the videos from Patreon, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.